Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good evening to everyone. We are from Group 2 and the training program that we conduct is Work Environment Measurement Training. And the company we choose is Malaysia Steelworks Sdn Berhad and known as Mas Steel Sdn Berhad. Next. Okay, here's our team member, which conclude Lechman, Lalita, Muhammad Fitri bin Muhammad Yusuf, Rajana Atika, Mas Aisyah Kamarajan, Muhammad Shukri Kamaruzaman, and Nur Afifah Samudin. Next. So the content for our training program are what industry is this company engaged in, about this company, the objective, duration, venue, facilities, and equipment, trainer and qualification, training outcome learning, and evaluation of the training participant. So next slide. Okay, move on to the industry. Malaysia Steelworks KL Sdn Berhad engaged in manufacturing of steel bars and steel billets. The company also has an associate company which is a BioNexus certified company that manufactures radioisotopes which are used by hospitals for cancer imaging. The group is primarily organized in one business segment, which is the manufacturing of steel bars and billets. And Malaysia Steelworks KL Sdn Berhad is one of Malaysia's leading steel manufacturers, specializing in the production of high tensile steel bars, mild steel bars, and prime steel billets, and most commonly used for construction and infrastructure development works. So I pass to the Leshman for the next topic.
So about the program, the program of work environment measurement training is to protect the environment, safety and health of employees in the workplace, protect from the risk and the hazardous condition. This training program also provides the participant necessary knowledge on how to handle the risks and hazards such as chemical, biological, physical, and safety hazards. Workplace incident not only can cause human injury, but it also can lead to influence financial. To begin with, work environment measurement training program consists of 150 participants from different backgrounds that has been conducted by experienced and professional trainers from National Institute of Occupational and Safety and Health by Mr. Muhammad Fazli. The training program has been conducted for 1 day with 450 ringgit per participant. By all this budget has been spent towards the trainers, venues, and equipment during the training program. The venues of training program has been implemented in the outdoor auditorium that may load up to 200 participants. So during the training of the program, there are several learning methods used by the trainers. Firstly is during lecture session and demonstration and pre-test and post-test. So that is all the training method that have been used by the trainers during the training program. So I will pass to the next presenter.
Okay, next is about the company. So Malaysia Steelworks KL Berhad factories are located strategically at Petaling Jaya and Bukit Raja Klang in the state of Selangor, Darul Ehsan, Malaysia. Bukit Raja factory is their leading producer of steel bars and steel billets. Steel has a wide network of customers domestically as well as internationally from the Philippines, China, and Australia. So there are 9 main board members in this company. As Malaysia's primary steel bar manufacturer, Malaysia Steelworks KL Berhad is operating in 1971, producing commercial grade mild steel round bars and ingots and its rolling mill in Petaling Jaya, Selangor, Darul Ehsan, Malaysia. In 1971, this company was started, and in 1997, Mastil started to upgrade. Then in 2005, they are listed in Bursa Malaysia, and they're still going very strong. Next slide. So these are the awards that won by the Mastil company. Next. So Mastil produced two main products, which is steel billets and steel bars. Steel billet size steel bar diameter 10, 13, 16, 20, 24, 25, 28, 32, and 40. Length is up to 12 meter. Category construction steel and grade is 500. Steel bars are sized to 120 mm to 160 mm. Length is up to 12 meter also. Category is semi-finished product for rolling mill. Grade is to customer's requirement. I pass to the next presenter.
Hi everyone. The trainer that we appointed for our training program is Muhammad Fadzli bin Ismail. He had his diploma in mechanical engineering in Polytechnic Port Dickson. He's doing his Bachelor of Occupational Safety and Health Management in Open University Malaya from 2019 till now. He was a resident trainer at Onkyo Asia Electronic from 1994 until 2006. Starting from 2010 till now, he working as Senior Occupational Safety Technician at National Institute for Occupational and Safety Health, NIOSH. Mr. Muhammad Fadzli bin Ismail has many experience in delivering occupational safety and health training. He is an authorized entrant and standby person for confined space, gas tester, and entry supervisor or con, uh, for for confined space, refresher, safe handling, or forklift truck. He has also experienced working safely at height. Moreover, he has oil and gas safety passport. Not only that, he is able to customize OSS training program. He had delivered occupational safety health training in Pusat Tafis and Malaysia Future Leaders School program. Next, I pass to next presenter.
All right, so basically this is the objective for the work environment training. So the main objective is the specified and quantifiable results that your employees are expected to attain after finishing a training program are known as training objectives. So the first objective is to improve your employees' performance and productivity by reinforcing existing competencies and developing new skills. All right, so this training we make this training to improve our employees performance. So when the employees performance have been higher and have been improved, so our productivity for the companies also can be a better thing. It can be better. Alright, so the second objective is to guarantee the effective and efficient operation of the department. So for this objective is we need to so we need to um so we need to have this training to make our operation for this company run smoothly. All right, so I will pass to the next presenter.
Okay. Moving to our last part of training program, which is evaluation of training program towards participant. We are conducting both summative and formative assessment to evaluate participant. The reason why we are choosing both formative and summative assessment because we want to make sure that our participant was really understand that the lecture that has been given. We choose 5 evaluation method, which is first pre and post test. This method allow us to determine the level of participant understanding before and after they attend our training program, and the question will be close-ended question. Secondly, Q&A session. is one of our evaluation part during lecture. Participant is free to ask question. With that question, we can determine how the participant understand the lecture. This method also will improve participant understanding. Next, observation. Also one of our evaluation that we use. The observation will carry out during the lecture, and the observation will more focus on participant reaction during lecture. For example, if our training program are not good enough, participant will easy to get boring and sleepy. Individual and task group are one of our important evaluation method. The participant will be given a task and they need to done it. By doing this method, we can evaluate how participants use the knowledge and how they apply to finish the task. Moving to the last method, which is random interview, we will randomly choose our participant to know what they have learned and overall, and we can get the overall feedback with our training program. I will pass to the next presenter.
So moving on to the last part of the presentation, which is the outcome of the training program by the Malaysia Steelworks Colombo Berhad. Training outcomes are defined as the measurable goals in which learners are expected to achieve at the end of a training program. Outcomes determine the success or failure of the training program since you will evaluate training based on whether or not your teams have reached the expected outcomes. Next slide. Fitri. Okay. So based on the evaluation tools mentioned by Fitri just now, which is observation, especially on individual tasks and group tasks, survey, the satisfaction survey, the Q&A sessions, including random in-depth interviews of the participants, and the test, which is the pre-program test, which means before the program, the training program, and the post-program test, the after-program test. Next slides. Based on these evaluation tools, at the end of the training program, and based on the assessment by using those evaluation tools, employees' performance and productivity should have been improved by reinforcing existing competencies and developing new skills. Also, last but not least, at the end of the training program, it should be a guarantee that the training is effective to improve the efficiency of operation for departments in the company. So that's all from us. Thank you for watching.